Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today, we are unboxing my December Boxycharm box. Last one of 2022, so this one is special. I'm very, very excited to see what we got for the holiday month. So stick around if you want to see what I got. But yes, today we're gonna unbox, try what we can, and then that's pretty much it, I think. So before we do get into it, please give this video a big thumbs up for me and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If for no other reason than to stay tuned for my little story on how and when I got engaged to the love of my life, because that is coming soon with a little makeup look included, of course. So make sure to subscribe. But if you want to see my December Boxycharm unboxing, stay tuned for the rest of the video. Alrighty guys, like I said, you heard right. I'm engaged, and I'm probably gonna say that in the next like 50 videos because it feels so good to say, and it's still so crazy. And yeah, I am just like over the moon, and I feel like I'm like in a cloud right now, honestly, because this happened last weekend and I've just been like screaming it from the rooftops like every chance that I get. So yeah, I'm sorry if you get annoyed about me telling you I'm engaged for the next like I don't even know how many videos, but I'm probably going to. I don't think it's gonna stop anytime soon. Okay, anyways, back to why you are here today. Boxycharm unboxing. This is December. You already know the drill. I do these every month and I have no idea what is in here. This is a surprise to you and it's a surprise to me. So yes, let's unbox this baby. So as usual, I have the tab ripped off already so we don't run into any problems. But yes, Boxycharm Instagram handle and hashtag, and then it says hello charmer. And then you have the logo in hot pink. Love it. And then let's see, sorry, I gotta move some things around. Let's see what this card on the inside says. So it is Boxycharm, 'tis the season for being extra. It's always the season for being extra, if you ask me. So, as usual, I'm just reading the card from top to bottom, and we're gonna see what we got inside. So, first product is from Lawless Beauty. It's the Triple Fix Brightening Concealer. Love concealers. A luxuriously rich, ultra creamy concealer that helps visibly brighten, conceal, and nourish skin with undetectable coverage and a skin-like finish. Goes for $18. So let's see where this is at. And they sent me the shade MG15, or MG5, sorry, not 15, MG5. So let's hope that it matches me. I have like a full face of makeup on, so I don't think I'm gonna try it like under my eyes, but I will swatch it for you guys so we can see what this looks like. This almost reminds me of like the Hourglass Vanish concealer. I feel like it has like a similar look to it. It says it's full coverage, so it's full coverage. This is definitely gonna match me. They were like spot on with this. Look at that. This color is beautiful. It's perfect. It's gonna look really, really good on my under eyes. And it feels, wow, it actually, like for being full coverage, feels very, very lightweight. But I definitely do think it is full coverage. Like, look at how much the back of my hand it covered up. That's pretty amazing. So it feels very, very nice. Again, color match is perfect. And I feel like the back of my hand can be a little bit wrinkly when I'm not wearing lotion, which is right now, and it's not like creasing up. So it looks really, really great, and this packaging is beautiful. I love that it's not like round like most of them are, so it's not like if you put it on the table it won't like spin off and you have to run after it. You just put it down and it stays there. So I love that. I'm very excited to play around with it. Next up, ooh, I'm excited about this one. I'm literally using this as soon as I take my makeup off tonight. It's the Murad Retinol Youth Renewal Eye Serum. Prevent and reduce the look of wrinkles all around the eyes, including lids, with patented retinol tri-active technology for potent yet gentle results. All ages and sensitive skin welcome. Helps minimize the signs of aging you can see and the ones you can't see yet. Provides 24 hours of hydration to reduce dryness as it instantly brightens. Delivers an instant dose of retinol and a dose of retinol over time to minimize irritation and prolong benefits. $89. That is not cheap. Oh my God. Okay, so here it is. It is Murad. Love Murad products. They're all very, very good. And then here is what this looks like in here. I don't know if I should put it on the back of my hand. Like, I always get so nervous with retinol, like what I can and can't do. So let me just, I'll put a little bit. We'll see what happens. Oh, okay, never mind. I'll put like a full pump. That seems a little bit wasteful, but whatever. Okay. It feels super lightweight, super like watery. Doesn't really have a smell, which I appreciate. I don't want to mess with it too much, but I'm so excited about this one because I swear to God, it's like Boxycharm was listening, because I was saying that I really need to try like a retinol. I really want to take good care of my skin, and I'm like in one of those phases where I really am trying to take good care of my skin. Like, I have like the biggest blemish known to man right smack in the middle of my forehead right now. So I need to take care of my skin. Like, we're changing some things around here, and this came just in time. So I am like so excited about that one. Next up, we have Lawless Beauty. It's the one and done Longwear volumizing mascara. I've been needing a new mascara. The one truly clean mascara that does it all. Volumizes, defines, lengthens, lifts, and wears all day while promoting naturally thick lash growth. This mascara uses the lighter weight lacquer tree and rice bran waxes to keep lashes lifted, while castor oil and argan oil promote lash length. It also comes with an elastomer brush that gently grips and combs through lashes for instant volume and elongation, while the spherical tip offers lash styling and separation. Goes for $25. So let's see where this is at. One and done. Let's see what this is all about. This I think I can try. I have mascara on already, but I'm gonna try this out and see what it does. Packaging, it's nice, but for 25 bucks, it almost feels like a little bit like weird plasticky. I don't know how to explain it, but I don't know how much I like how it feels in my hand. This is, I don't know if I'm gonna like this. This has one of those super weird, like, bristle tops. I don't know, let's just try it and see. Oh, okay. The mascara falls off like onto your face, so just be careful. I don't really know what it did for me, obviously because I'm already wearing mascara, but it didn't clump my eyelashes up. That was my biggest worry, because I feel like a lot of times when it has those kinds of bristles like this did, it like clumps them up so bad, whether or not you're already wearing mascara. So that's what I was worried about, but it didn't. Like, they are still separated and they look good. So far so good. I'm hoping it actually does something for them, so I'll keep you guys posted, obviously, on all of these. And then next, we have from REALHER, the Blurring Veil Set Your Goal. It says, features ultra finely milled powders which melt into the skin and set your makeup in place, or to control excess oils. It's completely flashback and talc free to give any look some serious staying power. Goes for $25. So let's see. Okay, so a setting powder. Oh my God, I don't know why that was so hard to like take out of there, but here it is. So the REALHER Set Your Goal Blurring Veil. It's a powder. It looks so small, like it seems like a little mini, but I guess that's fair because it's 25 bucks. I feel like for these kind of setting powders, they're usually a little bit more up there. So let's take the tab off the inside of it. If I can do anything. I'm struggling because I have, my nails are a little bit longer. Okay, that already came off. Not off to a good start, but okay, it's fine. Here is what this looks like. You can hardly see it. Let me just like put some on for you guys so we can see what we're working with. Taking my handy dandy powder brush that I got in another Boxycharm that I actually really love. So let's just put some on and see what it does. All right, I'm not gonna lie, I love how smooth this made my face look. Like, I just recently put all of my makeup on, obviously because I'm filming right now, and this, like, it wasn't fully like matted down, and this definitely like matted me down and like smoothed everything out. So I'm very, very interested in this. This is gonna be one that I'm using pretty frequently, so very excited about that. And then last but not least, we have from Item Beauty by Addison Rae. It's the Hey Hi Halo Liquid Highlighter. That is like a tongue twister. Hey Hi Halo Liquid Highlighter. A weightless liquid highlighter that's all gleam, no glitter, with a juicy sheen and glass-like finish. Blends and builds from a subtle strobe to a high beam shine, infused with a skin-loving mix of Japanese cherry blossom, magnolia berry, and amino acids to nourish, moisturize, and help balance oils. Goes for $18. So let's see. It's like that classic Item Beauty packaging. Is it Item Beauty? Yes. Okay. Oh, here we go. Very, very simple looking. It almost looks like a lip gloss tube. So this is very interesting to me. Let's put some on the back of my hand. I do like the packaging though, I have to admit. Here we go. Let's like... Ooh, this feels really, really nice. It's not like a super lightweight liquid highlighter. It almost feels more like a cream. Like it has a really creamy consistency, but I honestly really, really like that. Look at that. It really is beaming. Like that's beautiful. Let me see if I can blend this out with something. Okay, this is a brush that I blend a lot of my highlighters with, so let's just see. I dabbed a little bit on there. Guys, that actually looks really, really, really beautiful on my face. I'm very happy with this. And I do have to say, I feel like this whole brand in general, like I was so skeptical about, because I'm like, I don't know how good of a makeup brand this is gonna be, but I feel like all the products that I've tried from Item Beauty have been Boxycharm, and every time it like surprises me in a good way. So I'm definitely gonna keep using this. It looks really, really pretty. So wow. All 5 products are extremely exciting. Like these are all 5 products that I'm gonna be playing around with a lot, I feel like. All of them have like gotten me very, very in the mood to play with makeup. So this box was a huge, huge success. Very, very happy with this one. So I'm excited, but that is it for today. Let me know what you guys think about what I got in mine. Let me know if you got the same thing in yours. If you got different things, let me know what you got. Let me know if you've tried any of these products, what you think of them, and yeah, just comment and say hello because I love you guys. But give this a big thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel, but stay tuned and I will see you guys in the next video.